Hello? This is a payphone, and you
What's
keep
the name?
calling it. Nobody's here.
I don't understand what you're saying. Can you please say again? I am in the jail.
This is a payphone.
Can you spell the name? Can you spell the name for me? Can you spell the name? What's your name?
This is a payphone. Stop calling.
How you spell?
Stop calling. I'm trying to study.
How you spell? Can you spell the name for me? Can you spell the name?
Hello?
I am in the jail. The police come here to fuck me in the jail. Fuck the police. The police. Fuck the police.
Excuse me?
Fuck the police. The police come here to fuck me in the jail. I am in the jail. The police get you in the jail. What's the name?